Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6 science chapter 5 that's name is materials and things. Okay, so in this one we are going to see the question answers, keyword answer, and this chapter is related to the our Andhra Pradesh State Board. Okay, na? So if you want to if you are looking for the question answers and keyword answer, then this video is special for you. So in this video I discuss all the keywords answers and question answers. Okay, so let's start this chapter. So in this chapter our the first keyword is material. What is a material? Material is something object. Okay, that is called material. Okay, object. What is then object? An object is a thing that is made by something materials. Okay, now something it is made with, like pen is there. Pen is a object, and it is how the pen is made. Pen is made with plastic, so the plastic is our material. Okay, what is metal? Like metal means irons, copper, zinc, etc. Okay, now from which heat is transferred or which is hard. Transparency. Transparent means from that side we can see. Transparent means like there is a one glass, from that glass you can see from this side to that side. Okay, from one side to, if you see from one side to another side, that is called transparent. Otherwise when light pass through that one. Okay, now when light pass through, then only we can see. Okay, like that this is given. This translucent. Okay, solid, which is hard. Okay, now liquids, gases, sink, plot, soluble, insoluble. Soluble means which can be soluble in the water. Like if you take the water and if you take sugar, when you mix water and sugar, the sugar will get mixed into the water. Otherwise if you take water and salt, when you mix, it is going to soluble. So when it is going to soluble, when it is going to be mixed, that is called soluble. If you take the another things, if you take some stone or some like something a stone, if you take and when you put into water, when you try to soluble mix on that, it is going to mix, it is not going to mix. So when it is not going to mix, that is called insoluble. Okay, na? Okay, now we are going to talk about our improve your learning, which is generally question answer. So the first question is that name any 5 objects which is made up only one material. Okay, now which is made up one material, like plastics are there, plastic bag. Okay, now you can take as a any object, like metal you can take. In the metal anything. Okay, now you can choose anyone, any material. From that you have to give 5 examples. So already answer is here, you can check it out. Name any 5 objects which is made of more than 2 materials. Okay, which is made of more than 2 materials, like school bags. School bag is made with the some some sponges like a structure, and cloths and etc. Like bicycle is made with the iron, and its tire is plastic, it is made with the rubber. Tire and seat is there. Okay, mobiles are there. Mobile is also made with the whatever the inner part is there, it is made with the some other part. The upper part is it made with the the touch screen from glass. Like chair with the this one. Wall clock is it made with the some internal part is from like irons and something it is made. Outer part is it about the plastics on like hard plastic is there, and the upper glass is made with the you can say the upper part is made with the glass. Okay, na? Okay, so let me drink water. Okay, right, so let's talk about third question. List 5 things which we can make using each of the following materials, like glass, metal, plastic and wood. Okay, na? So glass is here, metal and plastic and bottle. Okay, right. The fourth question. Mary saw a ship of traveling on a sea. She know that iron nails sink is the water. She has many doubts. What are the okay, what about this question? And this is the answer is here. This is your fifth question. Mary will examine whether a boiled egg and sink or floats, found that it is float, but Vakula may whatever it's what is it name Vakula. Okay, once look at it. Okay, now how is it possible? Okay, so whenever you get confused, once match with your textbook. Take your textbook with yourself only, because whenever you get doubt or confusion, by looking at your textbook you will understand. This is your sixth question and here it is your answer. Okay, this is your seventh question. Do you following activities? Write down your observation. What do you consult? Mix chalk powder in water. So if you mix chalk powder, this is the answer here. Place of pieces of candle in water. This is your second answer. Add some oil of something. Okay, this is your third answer. And after this all answer, you have to write your observation. So here I written conclusion means what I observe. You can write conclusion or observation here. Okay, write observation or conclusion, anything you can write here. Okay, so what you look at here, something flawed and something, so this is the answer. Okay, here from here this answer start. This is your eighth question. Make a list of item of the kitchen like okay, these are a question given. Item like sink, floating water, soluble and soluble. Okay, so item name is it given. Okay, na, like sugar there, salt is there, rice there, plastic spoons are there. It is in sink, float. Okay, soluble, insoluble, insoluble. Okay, so these are the answers. You can make this one. Okay, na, if you want to make this, so you can make this all. Okay, so I make this small. Once look at this. Okay, is it clear? Right, so if it is clear, then let's talk about the ninth one. Collect the different plastics items from your surrounding and classify them in transparent, aqueous and translucent. Okay, now which is transparent and not something. Okay, so here it is given transparent. Here transparent is given, opaque and translucent is it given. Okay, is it clear? Right, so this is your 10th question. Draw the different object made by the wood. So different object which is made by the wood. So actually here you don't write this one. Okay, because I like that only I written student must draw the wooden objects which is like chair is there and this door is there, table is there, this chair, this window, this door and this table, which all made with the wood only. Okay, right, so you can draw this picture. Otherwise you can, if you want to write you can write, otherwise if you want to paste the picture you can paste. Make a few model. Do you like usually by clay? So you have to use clay and you can make this a model. Like in childhood we made like this. In childhood we made something toy like that. Okay, and something like that we made. In my childhood I done this one. I take the clay and just putting in there, then I like mouth, then eyes, then like that, and then body is something like that, and hand and like this. Okay, we all did in this our childhood. Okay, right, so 12th question is there here. What this 12th question telling? So we know that the ship even thought okay, this question is something long. If I read, video is going to be longer. Here is the answer. You can look at this. Okay, and this 13th one. We use so many wooden items in our daily life. Okay, so this is the answer of this one. Okay, so overall this chapter is totally completed here only. Whatever in this chapter, everything is completed. Then after also, if you are looking for class 6 any chapters, mathematics, social studies, English, anything, if you want any chapter answer, so in description there's a link, you can check out. Otherwise you just go to our channel, click on the playlist and you will find out there. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.